Hi everyone. In today's video we're gonna learn one of regular expression functions that we're going to use in Microsoft Excel. Regular expression, RE or RegEX, is a sequence of characters that define a search pattern. Usually such patterns are used by string searching algorithms for find or find and replace operations on strings, or for input validation, like this one. Text inside cell A2. I mean like this text. We have here a bunch of numbers, emails, also punctuation marks, points, commas, apostrophes, and so on. I mean different patterns. So, when we want to extract a specific pattern, how are we going to do it? In today's video we're going to start with search function. Just like search and find in Excel, search function will look for the pattern at any position in the string and return the first value. There is another function called find all. The difference between search and find all is that find all returns all found values instead of the first value. Here below I have already written regex patterns and passed in functions that we will use. I mask it, so you could follow along with me step by step. Let's highlight this one. This syntax called pattern, or regex pattern. Let me show you how it looks like the function first. Well, the function's name is pysearch. Pysearch has 4 parameters: text and pattern are mandatory, group and flags are optional. A2 is the text cell. I've written the pattern at the left side of the function cell, so you can see it clearly. As I said, group and flags are optional. As we progress with the video, I'll show you how to use them. Well, for this example, what I want to do is basically, /d is a number. Here I'm dealing with numbers. Here, between curly brackets, I'm passing in the number 3. I want 3 numbers. Each parenthesis contains a pattern. I made 3 parentheses. Between each one a specific number. But in this example, I'm targeting the first one, which means the first parenthesis. This one. Normally, the function will return the first 3 numbers in the first result. This is the pattern that I'm looking for: 3 numbers dash. Another 3 numbers dash and 4 numbers at the end. And I'm passing in 1 as the first group. So I want 256. The blue number is return. Flags, we will use it later when we will deal with text. Click OK. As you can see, we have 256 as result. As you may noticed, why I used parentheses. Well, in order to use the same pattern the next example. The only difference is this time that I'm passing in 2 as group number. As you can see, I left flags empty. Well, I get as return 294, the red number. The same way for next example. Well, in this example I want the third group, the last 4 numbers. In the next example, I want the whole number. Using the same pattern, I just pass in the number 0 as group number, or I leave it empty. Both have the same effect. Regular expressions support multiple ways of grouping. Subgroups are numbered from left to right. From 1 upward. 0 is the default to match the whole pattern. I have already written everything, so my video won't be too long. In this example I want to extract emails. As you can see, the pattern has brackets. Within these brackets I passed in /w for alphanumeric /dot for point and hash. Because dot and hash are not included in /w, followed by @ symbol, followed by another bunch of alphanumeric characters. As you can see, I get the first email as result. Here is the same pattern as the one above, and I put the parentheses before @ symbol. Good, as you can see I'm using group number 1. I've got what I want. Just like the previous example. I put the @ symbol and the second part of the email between parentheses. And here I passed in the group number 2. and next I skip the @ symbol. What you sold get from these examples is that you control what you want in or out of your result. Well, here once again the same thing. So to avoid wasting time, let's go to the next example. Here is pattern T uppercase followed by 2 alphanumeric characters followed by H uppercase. As you can see, I get tech uppercase. In this example I'm not using parentheses, so I don't need a group. But look at the result when I pass in re.I in Falgy's parameters. I got tech lowercase as result instead of tech uppercase. I let the function ignore case sensitive. Well, as you can see, using regex functions in Excel will boost your work. Will less effort. For more information you can Google Python regex and get most of pattern syntaxes. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye.